boss and I don't wanna be soldier. Tryna be just like a boss and gonna leave you like my Boja. Looking like an inside ulcer, run you like a piece of bread by using my toasters. Get on the road, gonna flip you over, looking like a floater, scare away the vultures. What it do, people? It's your boy Dreaded Yasuke, and you see the Barter Armor in the background. That means it is a Reaction Monday. Am I doing Reaction Mondays? I don't know. You decide. I ain't trying to be like my brother, because he's NEMRAPS and he does reactions every Monday. Shut your lips. I know I sound like him. I don't give a doggone what you think. Anyway, you see the armor in the background. That means we're doing a reaction video. And today we're gonna react to Daddyphatsnaps' Brawly rap called Legendary. And I already know this song's gonna be dope as I don't know what, because every time this dude come up with a song, it's a banger after banger after banger. And I did a song with him before. Go ahead and check it out on his page. It's right there, fam. He got a bunch of bangers up here. If you new to him, you shouldn't be sleeping on him, because he got some bars and he's in charge. I don't know. In charge, what? All I know is he's a great artist. I had a chance to talk to him on a couple of occasions and he knows his stuff. So let's get down to it and stop all the bull crap. Even though I'm giving the guy props, it's not bull crap. But anyway, let's just get to it. And but Wait, what's that? All the real ones will be able to sing the chorus right away. Okay. I don't know if I'm real, but we'll find out. We'll find out. Turn this all the way up. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to him, y'all. Don't forget that. And follow him on his social media. Legendary.
Cast down cause I was a beast. With the power level reached, I just need release. But instead of getting praised, being raised to lead, I was exiled so they couldn't taste defeat.
Yep.
Comparison Vegeta, he was frail and weak, and his father couldn't take second place to me. Too afraid of the strength that is laid beneath. Too afraid of a day I would reign supreme. I was trained for the day I would be unleashed, and my father didn't play in a slave machine. Never came.
First of all, love the flow. Absolutely love the flow, and I love the track already. I don't know where he getting his beats from, or he's Mike. Really? He's making his own tracks. What are you talking about? I'm stupid. But anyway, favorite Dragon Ball movie ever of all time. Go watch it also. Now we keep going.
For the pain, I would trade increase. I would fight for the day that became deceased. I just did what I was told to kill. But the anger in my soul took hold for real. Maybe cannot be controlled, like it broke the seal. And when the ground balls, even Paul will kneel.
Hey.
Waiting for this. Oh, it's coming. Taking the hits. Oh,
it's nothing.
Raising the fist.
Oh, I'm running.
Run quick, better run, raising the list.
Woo,
oh,
that's something.
Now they commit.
Oh, we've done it. Hey, this is a bop. Dang, this is, oh, wow. I wish I listened to this whole thing. This is a bop. I like this, bruh. I love the visuals. I love everything about it. Okay. Oh, it's nothing. I guess I'm a real one. Oh, it's something. Oh, we're done it. Oh, not bluffing. Okay, not that part.
I can't control it. The power is growing. The energy's flowing and counters eroding. I feel it exploding. The moon is showing, but I'm feeling wild and the ape is controlling. I'm biting and throwing my fists till they crack. They punch and I counter with vicious attacks. As soon as they pass me and think it's a wrap, my power increases and dishes it back.
Hey, okay. Dang. Brawly's on a different level though, man. I was watching him just go through all those characters. I was like, dang, Brawly ain't got no chill, do he?
My mind, the vision is tunnel periphery blind. I only see Saiyans was weaker than I. My father was right when he said you should die. We battle with Perry, the battle was
dang.
The rubble, the dust, and the battle was clearing. And what do I see? My father was perished. Breathing a breath of the one that you cherish. I'm leveling up to the max. You thought I was scary, well that was relaxed. He's in the ground to the planet collapsing. I'm picking you up and I'm sending you back.
Hey, go back to that. Hold on. Okay, I didn't go far back with no. Hold up. Up and I'm sending you back. Woo, yeah. Hey, it's coming. Oh, it's nothing. Oh, man,
man, I've been looking for some gym songs. This is gonna be one of them. This one and the Game Boy Jones one for Vegeta. Both of these. I'm digressing. I'm so sorry. Listen to the song. I can't dance for nothing. Hey. I like that. If you want it. I absolutely love this movie. I wish I was watching it more. Giving freaking Bandai all my money. Or Funimation. No, Toei Animation. I'm sorry, not Bandai. So there you have it. Daddyphatsnaps with his brother rap legendary. And of course, it's dope. I enjoyed the ride. Sometimes when I don't talk, I'm just feeling the vibe of the song. So if I don't do enough commentary, or I do too much commentary, because some of y'all be like, won't you shut up and let him play the song? But I'm like, bruh, it's a reaction. I got to talk. I got to do it, man. I can't just sit here and go. What y'all think about that, huh? Stupid. Anyway, thank you again for watching this video. Comment down below if I should do Reaction Mondays. I don't want to constantly just do random videos. I want to actually keep a date. So comment down below about what day I should do reaction videos, because it's obvious you guys want to see more of these videos. So, and I keep getting hundreds of comments saying you need to do react to this and that and this. I am going to do those. I need to listen to the audience. I'm sorry. But anyway, thank you again for stopping by and see you next time. Peace out. I like that. What y'all think about that? Peace out. Do a salute deuce. Peace out. Ooh, I think I found my out. Peace out, bruh. Like my little salute. I know I'm pushed to the side. Shut your lips. I know this is the part where you need to pick one of the videos on this side. That video or that video. Or you should subscribe to this.